What? Bro, what the hell is this? Like, man, for real though. Be for real. Really? Out of everything you could have made Gunner bait of, really, Sprunky, the quote unquote horror game, bro? Why? Why Sprunky? Why Gunner bait? It's a kids topic. Oh, come on, man. And if you attack me, that's fine. Just gonna put this out there. Exploiting children with Gunner bait is not good, my friend. Do not do that. That is not good. That's the 1 minute, and I'm out of here. YouTube!